Hey, it's Jason with dadsthatcook. And what we're gonna do tonight, we're gonna make a chicken sausage gumbo. It's gonna be amazing. We're gonna use an Instant Pot today on saute mode. And we're gonna saute up some of this stuff. So saute, and we need to saute that for about 5 minutes. And we need about a tablespoon of vegetable oil. That stuff sauteing. Is it getting hot yet? Let's put the sausage in there. Let's put our chicken in there. We just kind of want to get browned and cooked a little. We've got a cup of flour. That's what's going to make our roux. And we're going to do a little whisk job with the rest of our half a cup of oil we've got. We've got some Creole seasoning. We've got some cayenne pepper. We've got some thyme, some dried thyme, a little Worcestershire sauce. We've got some minced garlic, some black pepper, some white onion. We've got some celery, okra, and we've got our peppers. So you can use a green pepper. We're gonna use some yellow and red ones today because we like those better. So we've had that sitting in here for about 6 minutes or so, and we've just been kind of stirring it around. You don't want it fully cooked. You're gonna get a little slotted spoon, and you're gonna pull out the meat now. Slotted spoon so that way all the juices kind of stay in there. All right, so we got that out. Let's throw in the oil, half a cup of oil, flour, and we're gonna just whisk this for about 10 minutes. I thought the Instant Pot was supposed to be easy. Let's add the onion, bell pepper, celery, and garlic. Stir that up for about 5 minutes. Got a bunch of roux stuck to the bottom. No bueno. Scrape that stuff out. Turn that guy off. Add the broth. Throw the okra in there. Black pepper, throw that in there. Cayenne. Thyme. And the Creole seasoning. Throw all those in there. Get those tomatoes in there too. Don't forget the tomatoes. Put all that back in there. Mix that up really good. Pop the lid on there and put it up for 4 minutes. Oh, I forgot the Worcestershire sauce. Worcestershire sauce. Can't believe I forgot the Worcestershire sauce. Did you see it sitting there? It was all sitting there by itself going, what are you doing to me? I want to go in the party too. Going, it's ready to roll. We just gotta wait and relax. Burning. So yeah, I gotta get in there and scrub that crap out. More work. You think it's gonna be easy? And it's not. In my Instant Pot, it did a burn message on it because, you know what I think happened was when I was making the roux, it got stuck to the bottom, and the Instant Pot doesn't like it. So, let's plate it up and let's eat it. It does smell, it smells really good. Gumbo, the gumbo! God, so good. Oh my God, the flavors are amazing. I'm digging it, digging it! That's what it's all about, right? Family, hanging out, friends, food, love and life. Hey, thanks for watching. You want to see more cool videos like this one on dadsthatcook? Make sure you subscribe. You want to win some really cool stuff? Subscribe. You want to get notified? Make sure you know what's going on? Subscribe.